Here is a Broten BR7000 garage door opener, which is exactly the same as a Marantec M4700 that I've converted here to a side mount operator. And this one is extremely smooth and quiet, as you'll see. I mounted the photo eyes inside the case here so they're out of the way. I don't know if you're like me, I can't stand those things, so I just installed them inside that thing. If you want to take them out, obviously you can and mount them correctly, but if you're wondering, they're inside here. I painted it red. As you can see, they're usually black. Looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and run this for you so you can see how it operates. Now, I don't have the wall console for this unit, but I do have the two remotes and the wireless keypad to go along with it. And I also have the lens covers for the sides here. I didn't put them on because it wouldn't fit where I mounted it. But if you got any questions, let me know.